Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is scratch resistant and made from distortion-free polycarbonate. Protects the filter lenses from heat and spatter. Package of 5. See more product details. Tails, 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 tails. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Category: welding, welding safety equipment. See more product details. Ales, 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 ales. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. The automatic welding helmet with world record ADF. Shade level range 8 to 12. Grind mode with perfect view. Shade level 2. 5 in light state. See more product details. Details, 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 details. The number 1 on the list is Crystal Lens Technology 2.0 with shades 4 to 12. Swiss-made. Panorama Field of View 6x. New state-of-the-art ISO FIT headgear. See more product details. Details, 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 details.